Go ahead, Nana.
Nobody even told her. And I thought she just was saying that. She said, that's mine right there. And she picked it up and I looked on it, it had her name on it. Oh my God. I see. What is that? My Elsa one. Let me see her now.
I see.
So who brought you that? You're supposed to look on the
I see.
on the
Yeah,
card
it's nice. It's
where your name at and see who
Elsa,
gave it to you.
Frozen, really good.
Go look again. Look on the box you just pulled that out of. Yeah, that's good.
Let me see, what does this one say? This says
It do say,
Alana,
y'all supposed
so get this
look
to
on now.
Nana.
Look at the name tag. What it say, Rico? What you just yeah, what the bow at? What it say? Look for your stuff and who brought that for you, Makati? In your hand.
This is from Santa.
Okay.
These are Makati from Santa.
Read it. What it says.
Daddy.
It says from. What it say?
It says
Right here.
Santa.
Frozen. Oh,
Now,
good.
read his
It's
song.
Elsa.
Okay. Santa bought y'all that? Oh my God, it's nice. But y'all have presents under there that other people bought y'all also. So y'all need to read. So y'all can tell. Now let them find their own. You can find yours.
Oh, cool.
It's nice. Yeah.
Can I take out of the box?
You want to take Elsa out the box?
Yes.
Okay. You want to open some more presents? I'll open up Elsa for you. Go look for. Can y'all help find Alea another present for her?
Yeah. I got a toothbrush too.
I see.
Go over there and look for your box. Go over there. Just like you found. Look at your name.
What does that say, Arico? What does that gift say?
One.
Oh.
Happy holiday.
Alright, look for another one for Alea.
Oh, good name,
This is mine.
Santa. When you see Santa, that's from Santa. Okay? Go over there so Daddy can get you over there. No one's trying to get me.
What does it say?
It says
Kids.
player.
That says kids. So you can open it. It's for everybody.
Daddy.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
No, that's her pad. Pad open. Pad up. Pad. Yeah. Nice. Like what are we gonna put it? Yeah. Pad. There you go. That's how you do that.
Daddy, there's Goku Super Saiyan 6. And
pad
Goku
open.
Super Saiyan. And Vegeta.
Pad.
Which one do you got?
Vegeta.
There you go. Now take it out the box.
Yeah.
Take it out the box. Take it out the box.
Oh, who's that?
This is Barker. That's her up to the deck.
Yeah. From my
Wait,
fellow
Santa
academics.
knows what we like, Daddy?
Of course he does. That's why you go and talk to him before Christmas.
What's this? Hey, what else is that?
A beanie. Yeah, it's like a beanie hat.
Daddy, could you open this for me, Daddy?
So I got two. I got three my hair Damien shirts because I got one was just tall.
Oh, cool. Good. Do you want me to open Vegeta for you?
Yes.
Oh,
Wait, you got Vegeta?
Yes.
God, that's not yours. Read. That people get their own. Help Alea find another one of hers.
Oh! Yeah, yeah.
That's yours?
This
me see.
called her
Bring it
now?
over. Come on. Let me see. What does it say? What the name at?
Okay, so
Where
thank you, Yaya.
Let me see. Let's see.
Look for your name, Patty.
Yep, it's yours.
Open it up, Dudu. Tear it. Tear it up. Tear. Yeah.
This is K-I-D-S.
Huh?
This is
Yeah.
K-I-D-S.
Huh?
This is Yaya's row.
Oh, if it's for
Oh,
kids, it's for
good.
all y'all.
Oh.
Nice.
So it don't
What
matter
is
who open that, but first look for your
It's a
stuff.
baby boy.
Oh,
Look up under there. Bring some of them things out now so people can get. Bring some of them presents out. Bring them right down so they don't. Rip it, Dudu. Rip it. Tab. Tab. There it is. Yeah. There you go. Yay.
What is it?
Yay. Who bought you that?
You.
Yay. Yaya. See Yaya.
Flip it around. It's like
Well, we did from the store.
Yeah.
nice.
This was so cute.
Yeah.
A baby.
Go find another one that Santa Claus bought you. Go find one that Santa Claus bought.
What you got, Makati? It said,
Now, how come you didn't get them all from Bite Down? Huh?
Look, you got the hair.
Huh?
You got the hair stuff.
Yeah. Get your hair washed. Yeah.
what is it?
I don't know.
That looks
Open it
like
up.
Alana. This a wallet. Well, Alana, who opened this? Did you open this?
Yes.
Did it have your name on it?
Yes.
Go get the paper. Go get the paper, because this don't look like yours. This don't look like this.
Oh, two
That's
Elsas.
yours. Where that paper at, Makati?
Mama got two Elsa.
That's not yours.
This is mine.
Yeah, that's yours. Find the paper you just opened this with. This is Alana's, and I know this Alana. So you can't open other people's gifts. You got to make sure it's.
You got what?
That's her favorite.
Don't open nobody else's gift.
What do you got, Enrico?
Your name on it. You know how to spell your name.
Oh, let me see.
Find one, see if you got your name on it. Look,
And I
see.
also got.
Look, Daddy.
What name it
I
says?
got some.
What it
Oh,
say?
cool. Yeah, pencils, coloring pencils. That's a nice thing to have, man. Real nice.
P-I-T-I? That's Daddy. What it say? Oh, that's from
That's
Titi,
for
but who
Alea.
other name it is?
Oh.
It's for Alea. Or no, that's for Nana. It says cookie.
That's right, Makati. You gotta see your name. Who has your name?
All right, what you got?
I got pizza from the front.
Who's on that list? She
Final
got.
form?
This is mine.
Okay, so you don't open nobody else's. Make sure it's your own. But Makati's gonna open something. What Alana got? Is that hers she carrying up?
Yeah, it says cookie.
Behind Daddy. Is that hers?
Oh, no.
I got Spider-Man, Daddy.
Oh, you got Spider-Man too?
Three mini
Is that hers?
sketchbooks.
It is mine.
Three mini sketchbooks.
More sketchbooks. Good.
I don't know how to bring the camera where I'm at.
Plus copy pages.
Oh, I think this is
What
my
name is it?
scooter that I
What
wanted from Santa.
I got to look on the paper to see who gave it.
What does that say? The boys. So yeah, that's you and Makati's. So you can open it up.
Got that out of so you'll know who gave it to you.
What you got in your hand?
Makati, this is me in for you.
Oh, good. Okay.
Oh, wait, Daddy, can we open
Find the paper, Makati.
Huh?
Can we open the
Paper
cake?
at.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
don't know how to tell somebody thank you if you don't know who. What paper you just had when you opened it at? Where were you when you opened it?
I was this white paper.
You don't even know who opened that shit. It said for the boys, not. No, that's not a zone. You got Spider-Man.
You wanna finish opening the box for the boys?
Daddy, open this one?
Yeah, you can open that one. Kids. Makati, you want to finish opening up that big box for the boys? Show us what it is.
Well, that's good, but it's too late for that one. You don't even know who bought that.
What, how you got Spider-Man too?
I bought him that Spider-Man and he didn't even know because he...
There's two scooters.
Did you read the not? Did you...
Scooter for Christmas, Daddy. Is it right?
Whatever the
Take it
bow
out.
tie at. Where's the bow tie on it?
Alright, let me see what it look like.
A scooter.
Oh, okay, that one's...
Daddy, I also wanted it. I always wanted this.
What you say, Enrico?
I wanted a scooter. I told Santa that I wanted a scooter.
Good. Well, you got one.
I didn't want to keep using Nana's scooter. I always have my own.
Got your own now.
Yeah, Daddy, I also said I want a scooter.
Right there.
Oh, yeah?
He bought the big one. I don't know. Santa Claus bought the little one. Yeah.
What else is back there? I see one right here. Whose is this? Makati. That's Makati's.
Oh my god, it's candy again. So we can play.
Yeah. That's good. Candy day.
I'm super hoping. What if we could use this box for the toys or something? Or a scooter?
Maybe you can.
Go put it on the porch now. You don't have Anna?
Here's the scooter, Daddy.
So Santa Claus you wanted.
Let me see.
The
So
scooter.
Santa Claus you wanted that. Remember
Scooter?
Yes, it was.
Yeah.
But you just gotta put this inside
Well,
so it can stick out. I have this.
Oh, really?
you got a knife or something. I sure hope you ain't destroying it. You gonna hurt your hand trying to pull that out.
This is Makati.
You ain't gonna destroy anything. No, leave her hair alone. She gotta look pretty. Leave her hair alone. Not that, no, just look at it and play with it. Yes,
Hmm?
Like, this is called a tail. Did you break it?
But I
Use a
hope
tail.
you ain't got